Good evening, class 7 students. Now, this is the video regarding your NCERT syllabus. In this session, we will understand about integer. So, this is your first chapter about integer. Now, what do you mean by integer? Now, integer is a combination of whole number and negative number. Okay. So, what do you mean by integer? Integer is a whole number and negative number. The combination of whole number and negative number are called as integer. Okay, so this is your number line. Okay, so here in between 0 is there. Okay, now when we are going from 0 to left side, now there is an increase of negativity. Increase of negativity is there, so 0 after going left from 0 there will be a -1. After going left from -1 there will be -2, and so on going right from 0 there will be a +1, +2, +3, and so on. So this -1 having negative sign in front of 1 is called negative integer. -2, this negative sign is in front of 2, so this is also a negative integer. Similarly, -3 is a negative integer, -4 is negative integer, -5 and -6. Similarly, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are called as positive integer. Okay, so this is your number line. Now here f is -2. What is -2? -2 is a negative integer. E is -3. -3 is a negative integer. What about g? G will become -1. On going right from -2 there will be -1, so g will become -1, h will become 0, I will become 1, j will become 2. Okay, similarly 3, 4, 5, 6. On going left towards 0 there is a increase of negativity. ठीक है, जब हम लोग राइट लेफ्ट साइड जाते हैं 0 के तो क्या हो जाएगा, निगेटिविटी बढ़ते जाएगा. तो -2 के बाद क्या आएगा, -3, -3 के बाद आएगा -4, -4 के बाद आएगा -5 एंड सो ऑन. सो देयर इज ए इंक्रीज ऑफ वैल्यू हैविंग नेगेटिव साइन इन फ्रंट ऑफ दैम. समझ आ रहा है आप लोगों को? Now when two positive integer are added then it will always become a positive integer. जब हम किसी दो पॉजिटिव इंटीजर को ऐड करेंगे तो हमेशा क्या आएगा, हमारा पॉजिटिव इंटीजर आएगा. जैसे +4 +4 इसका वैल्यू कितना आएगा, हमारा 8 आएगा. जब हम किसी दो निगेटिव इंटीजर को ऐड करेंगे तो वैल्यू हमारा क्या आएगा, हमेशा माइनस में आएगा. व्हेन टू निगेटिव इंटीजर्स आर एडेड देन द वैल्यू विल बी ऑलवेज अ निगेटिव इंटीजर. ओके, नाउ -4 प्लस -4. नाउ -4 एंड -4 विल बिकम इक्वल टू -8. क्या आएगा हमारा, -8. when there will be a higher positive integer, suppose +5 क्या है आप लोग का वैल्यू में हाई है और आगे क्या है पॉजिटिव साइन, is added to a lower negative value integer. -5 को अगर मैं -4 से ऐड कर दूंगा तो वैल्यू कितना आएगा हमारा, +1. सो दिस इज अ पॉजिटिव इंटीजर. समझ आ रहा है? नाउ व्हाट इज एडिटिव इनवर्स? Now suppose there is an integer 10. Now additive inverse of 10 is of opposite sign and will be equal to -10. Similarly, additive integer of -10 will be equal to 10. Additive inverse of 76 will be equal to -76, and additive inverse of -76 will be equal to 76. So additive inverse is nothing but the opposite sign. Okay, now here some exercise for you. Now the sum of two negative integer -8 -4. Now -8 plus -4, what is become equal to, -12. -8 plus -4 will be equal to -12. Now this minus 12 and this when the two negative integers are subtracted, minus 8 minus 4, minus 8 and this minus 4. Now this minus will be equal to plus sign, here minus 8 and here plus 4. The result will be equal to minus 4. So what is the result here? Minus 4. And what will be the result here? Minus 12. So which is greater, minus 4 or minus 12? Minus 4 is of less negative sign, so minus 4 is greater. Okay, so this is the true statement. So similarly, you can do minus 3 plus 7 minus 19. Now minus 19 is of negative integer and minus 3 is of negative integer. Now 19 and minus 3 will be equal to minus 2, 22 plus 7 minus 22 plus 7. What is minus 22 plus 7 equal to? Minus 22 plus 7 equal to plus 15. So here plus 15 and here minus 8 minus 9. What will minus 8 minus 9 equal to? 17. 15 minus 17 will be equal to 2. So here is greater sign, 2 is equal, sorry, here is 2 and here is plus 15. So which is greater, plus 15 or 2? 15 is greater, so this will become a greater sign towards plus 15. Okay. Now statement 17 plus 23 equal to 40. Is this true or wrong? This is true. Okay. Now this 40 having positive sign towards 40. So this is an integer. Minus 10 plus minus 3. What is minus 10 plus minus 3? Minus 10 plus minus 3 will be equal to minus 7 and this is a negative integer. Similarly, you can solve third, fourth, fifth. Okay, what is fifth? 27 plus minus 27. Now this will become equal to 0 and 0 is neither integer. Okay, this is an whole number. Now minus 20 plus 0. What will be equal to minus 20 plus 0? When any number is added to 0, it will always become same as previous. So minus 20 plus 0 will be equal to minus 20. Okay, and this is a negative integer. Now what do you mean by commutative property? कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी होता क्या है? ये साइन आप लोग को दिख रहा है, दिस इज अ सिंबल. व्हेन एनी नंबर इज एडेड a plus b, then it will always become equal to b plus a. Suppose there is two number 3 plus 5. Okay, now since 3 plus 5 is equal to 8, now a plus b here is equal to 8. Now suppose b is 5 and a is 3. So 5 plus 3 will also become 8. So that this condition is always true. A plus b equal to b plus a. समझ आ रहा है? अगर 3 plus 5 होगा तो सपोज 3 plus 5 में अगर 3a है और b 5 है तो ये कंडीशन किसके इक्वल हो जाएगा आप लोग के? b plus a. 5 plus 3 equal to 8. Similarly, there is a associative property in math. Okay, what is associative property? A plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. This is associative property. Suppose a equal to 1, b equal to 2, c equal to 3. Now what is a plus b plus c? A plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 equal to 6. Now what is a plus b plus c? This a plus b plus c a plus b plus c. Now I have choose a equal to 1 plus b equal to 2 and c equal to 3. the result is 6. Now what is A plus B plus C? The result here also will be equal to 6, so that this condition is true. Okay. Now similarly to commutative property, associative property, there also comes a additive property. What do you mean by additive property? When any number is added to 0, it will become a additive property. Now here A is added to 0, so that the result is always A. Suppose 5 is added to 0, so the result is always equal to 5. So this is additive property. Additive identity: when we add 0 to any whole number, we get the same whole number. Additive identity for whole number. Okay, it is an additive identity again for integer. Now write down a pair of integer whose sum is -3. आपको ऐसा पेयर बनाना है इंटीजर का जिसका सम क्या होना चाहिए, -3. अब हम क्या ले सकते हैं, -5 ले लो. This -5 is a negative integer. Now when any negative integer is added to positive integer plus 2, the result will be equal to -3. और क्या हो सकता है, -1 plus -2 will also be equal to -3. So this is an example of addition of negative integer. Similarly, there is a homework. Difference will be equal to -5. Sum will be equal to 0 and difference is 2. Here the solution is given. You can practice. Okay. Now fill in the blanks to make the following statements true. Here -5 and -8. -5 minus 8 equal to -8. Here comes -8. So what will be the result here? Here will be -5. This is commutative property. Now second, -53 plus how much will be equal to -53? Now here come what? Additive integer. -53 plus 0 will be equal to 53. In the third, 17. How much be added to 17 or subtracted from 17 so that it becomes 0? Now 17, when we subtract 17 from -17, it will become equal to 0. Okay. Now the remaining question you can do as homework. Now there is a multiplication also. There is a multiplication also of any two positive integer or any two negative integer. Suppose -4 into -4. What is 4 into 4? 4 into 4 will be equal to 16, and when two negative sign combine with each other, they will become equal to positive sign. So -4 into -4 will become equal to 16. Now when -4 is multiplied by +4, when there is a positive sign and negative sign, then the result will always become equal to negative sign. And what is 4 into 4? 4 into 4 equal to 16. So here comes 16. Okay. Now suppose this is an example. What is -1 into -15? This is negative sign, this is negative sign. So what is -1 into -15? This will become equal to +15. Two negative integers are multiplied by each other, then it will become equal to +15. Now when any integer is multiplied by 0, then it will always become equal to 0. When 5 is multiplied by 0, then the result will be equal to 0. When 6 will be multiplied by 0, the result will be equal to 0. When any integer is multiplied by 0, then it will become equal to 0. Okay students. Now here, as in addition, there is also a property called associative property for multiplication. For multiplication, the associative property is here. Okay, A into B into C is equal to A into B into C, where A and B is in bracket and here B into C in bracket. When you give example, suppose see the example here, minus 3 into minus 2 into 5, this will become equal to 30, and minus 3 into minus 2 into minus 5, this will also become equal to 30. So multiplication also show associative property. Now distributive property, as you seen here, A into B plus C will be equal to A into B plus A into C. So this is distributive property. Now solve the product. Minus 18 into minus 10 into minus 9. What is the value equal to? Minus 18 into minus 10 will be equal to 180, and there will be a positive into 9. Okay. Now this 18 into 9, what will be equal to? 1620. So this is the way of multiplication. Hope you like this video. We will continue in next session. Thank you.